Thank you very much for yielding. Mr. Speaker, in its slick TV ads and PR blitz, the multi-billion-dollar-a-year abortion giant Planned Parenthood appears to be hiding something. Could it be that they're hiding the dismaying fact that just one organization, Planned Parenthood, performs over 25% of all abortions in America? No other chain of abortion mills even comes close. Or is it the fact that 97% of all the so-called services rendered to a woman with child end in an abortion? Or the fact that since 1977, Planned Parenthood has deliberately caused the brutal death of well over 5.4 million babies, a staggering loss of child life. And in 2009 alone, 332,278 babies were killed in Planned Parenthood clinics. There is no organization in America, Mr. Speaker, perhaps even on earth, that stabs, dismembers, decapitates, or chemically poisons more unborn children to death than Planned Parenthood. And that's the reality of what abortion does to a child. For the innocent and perhaps inconvenient child in the womb, a Planned Parenthood clinic is a house of horrors, a place where abortionists brutally destroy children and deceive and hurt their mothers. Vote for the resolution.
The gentleman has